Picture this. You're driving home after a long day, and with a simple voice command to your car, your Barndominium springs to life. The lights turn on, the temperature adjusts to your perfect setting, the garage door opens automatically, and your favorite music starts playing. By the time you walk through the door, your home is exactly how you want it. Welcome to the future of Barndominium living, where cutting-edge, smart home technology transforms these already amazing spaces into truly intelligent homes. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what it costs to build a smart Barndominium, which gadgets will blow your mind. And stick around because I'm revealing a company at the end that can build and install all of this smart technology for you at prices that might surprise you. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our content about innovative home designs and smart living. Drop a comment below and tell me, which smart home gadget would you want most in your Barndominium? Let's get into it. What is a smart home Barndominium? A smart home Barndominium is exactly what it sounds like. The open, flexible living space of a Barndominium enhanced with integrated smart technology that allows you to control virtually every aspect of your home through your smartphone, tablet, voice commands, or automated systems. We're talking about lights that adjust themselves based on the time of day, thermostats that learn your schedule and optimize energy use, security systems you can monitor from anywhere in the world, and entertainment systems that respond to your voice. The beauty of combining Barndominiums with smart technology is that Barndominiums are already designed for modern living with open floor plans, high ceilings, and flexible spaces. Adding smart technology takes these advantages to the next level. The open concept design means fewer walls to work around when installing smart devices. The metal construction provides excellent infrastructure for wireless signals, and the modern aesthetic pairs perfectly with sleek smart home gadgets. The honest cost breakdown. Let's get real about money because I know that's what you're wondering. Building a smart Barndominium involves two main cost categories: the Barndominium construction itself and the smart home technology integration. For the Barndominium construction, you're looking at $65 to $160 per square foot for the shell, and $160 to $300 per square foot for a fully finished turnkey build. For a 2,000 square foot smart Barndominium, expect total construction costs between $130,000 and $320,000 for mid-range finishes. If you want higher-end finishes with luxury touches, you could reach $320,000 to $600,000. Now for the smart home technology integration. This is where it gets interesting. A basic smart home system with essential features costs $1,500 to $4,000 installed. This includes smart lighting in main areas, a smart thermostat, basic security with cameras and smart locks, and a central hub like Amazon Echo or Google Home. A mid-range smart home system with comprehensive automation runs $5,000 to $15,000 installed, covering whole home smart lighting, advanced HVAC control with zoning, comprehensive security with multiple cameras and sensors, smart entertainment systems, automated window treatments, and energy management systems. A premium fully automated smart home system costs $15,000 to $40,000 or more, including every room fully automated, integrated audio-video throughout, advanced security with AI monitoring, smart appliances in kitchen and laundry, automated irrigation and outdoor systems, and custom control panels and interfaces. Here's a realistic, complete cost example for a 2,400 square foot smart Barndominium. The Barndominium Shell at $70 per square foot costs $168,000. Interior finishing including insulation, drywall, flooring, kitchen, bathrooms, and HVAC runs $95,000. Smart home technology with mid-range automation package costs $8,500. Site work including foundation, utilities, and driveway costs $35,000. Total project cost comes to $306,500, which is approximately $128 per square foot for a completely finished, fully automated smart Barndominium. Compare this to building a traditional home with the same smart features, which would cost $180 to $400 per square foot or $432,000 to $960,000 for 2,400 square feet. You're saving $125,000 to $650,000 by choosing the Barndominium route while getting the exact same smart home capabilities. Essential smart home gadgets for your Barndominium. Let's talk about the specific smart home technologies that make the biggest impact in barndominium living. Smart lighting systems are foundational. Whole home smart lighting costs $1,000 to $5,000 installed. Individual smart bulbs run $10 to $30 each. Smart switches cost $20 to $80 per switch, and you can control brightness, color temperature, and create custom scenes for different times of day. Motion sensors turn lights on automatically when you enter rooms, and voice control lets you adjust lighting without moving. The energy savings alone can reduce your lighting costs by 60 to 80%. Smart thermostats and HVAC control are game changers. A smart thermostat costs $70 to $280 installed, while fully automated HVAC with zoning runs $1,000 to $3,000. Systems like Nest and Ecobee learn your schedule and adjust automatically. Zone systems let you control temperature by room or area, and remote access means you can adjust settings from anywhere. You can expect 10 to 23% reduction in heating and cooling costs, which adds up to hundreds of dollars annually. Smart security systems provide peace of mind. A comprehensive security system costs $1,500 to $5,000 installed. This includes smart doorbell cameras at $150 to $400, indoor and outdoor security cameras at $100 to $400 each, smart locks for keyless entry at $150 to $350 per lock, motion sensors and door contact sensors, and 24/7 professional monitoring for $10 to $60 per month. You get real-time alerts on your phone, video footage accessible anywhere, automatic recording when motion is detected, and integration with other smart devices. Smart entertainment systems create amazing experiences. A basic smart entertainment setup costs $1,000 to $3,000, while whole home audio-video runs $5,000 to $25,000. Smart TVs with streaming capability cost $400 to $2,000. Multi-room audio systems distribute music throughout your home. Voice-controlled speakers connect everything, and automated lighting can sync with what you're watching for immersive experiences. Smart appliances enhance convenience. A smart refrigerator costs $1,500 to $10,000 with features like internal cameras to see contents remotely, automatic grocery ordering, and precision temperature control. Smart ovens and ranges run $1,000 to $5,000 with remote preheat and monitoring, recipe guidance, and automatic shutoff for safety. Smart dishwashers cost $600 to $1,500 with phone notifications when cycle is complete, optimized water and energy use, and remote start capabilities. Smart washers and dryers run $800 to $2,500 per pair with remote monitoring and control, automatic detergent dispensing, and energy optimization. Energy management systems save money long-term. These cost $800 to $3,000 installed and include smart power outlets at $15 to $50 each, whole home energy monitors tracking consumption, solar integration if you have panels, and automated scheduling to run high-energy appliances during off-peak hours. Homeowners report 8 to 15% reduction in overall energy costs. Smart window treatments add luxury and efficiency. Automated blinds and shades cost $200 to $800 per window installed. They offer scheduled opening and closing based on sunrise and sunset, temperature-based adjustment to reduce heating and cooling needs, voice and app control, and integration with lighting scenes. This can reduce HVAC costs by 15 to 25% in rooms with smart treatments. Voice control and automation hubs are the brains. A basic hub costs $50 to $200, while advanced systems run $300 to $1,500. Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Apple HomeKit provide centralized control of all devices, voice commands for hands-free operation, and routines that trigger multiple actions with one command like good night, which locks doors, turns off lights, and sets the thermostat. Smart home benefits specific to barndominiums. The open floor plan of barndominiums means fewer walls blocking wireless signals, making Wi-Fi and smart device connectivity more reliable throughout the entire space. You won't deal with dead zones or weak signals like in traditional homes with many rooms and walls. The high ceilings in barndominiums are perfect for smart ceiling fans with integrated lighting, speakers mounted high for whole space audio coverage, and security cameras with wide viewing angles. The vaulted spaces create impressive effects when you integrate smart lighting that can illuminate those dramatic ceiling heights. Metal construction provides excellent mounting points for smart devices without worrying about finding studs. The steel frame also doesn't interfere with wireless signals the way traditional construction sometimes can. The typical barndominium workshop or garage area integrates beautifully with smart technology. Install smart garage door openers at $200 to $500 for remote access and status monitoring. Environmental sensors to monitor temperature and humidity in storage areas, and smart lighting in workshop spaces that activate when you enter. Energy efficiency combines perfectly with barndominiums. The tight envelope of a well-insulated barndominium paired with smart HVAC controls creates massive energy savings. Owners report 30 to 50% lower utility bills compared to traditional homes of similar size. DIY versus professional installation. Here's the reality about installing smart home technology. Many basic devices are designed for DIY installation and can save you significant money. Smart bulbs, plugs, basic thermostats, and video doorbells typically include simple step-by-step instructions that any homeowner can follow. You can gradually build your smart home system over time, starting with a few devices and adding more as budget allows. DIY costs are just the device purchase prices. However, professional installation makes sense for certain systems. Whole home audio-video requires proper wiring and speaker placement. Advanced security systems benefit from professional assessment and installation. Smart HVAC zoning needs proper duct work and controls. Integrated systems with multiple brands working together require expertise to configure properly. Professional installation costs $50 to $150 per hour, but the time savings, proper setup, and guaranteed functionality are often worth the investment. A smart approach many homeowners take is a hybrid model where you handle simple plug-and-play devices yourself, while hiring professionals for complex integrated systems. This gives you cost savings where possible, while ensuring critical systems work flawlessly. Ongoing costs to consider. Smart home technology isn't a one-time expense. Monthly subscription fees for services run $10 to $60 per month for professional security monitoring at $20 to $50. Cloud storage for camera footage at $3 to $10 per camera, and premium automation features for some systems at $5 to $15. Maintenance and updates include software updates, which are typically free, battery replacements for sensors every 2 to 3 years, and potential device replacements as technology advances every 5 to 7 years. Insurance discounts can offset some costs. Many insurance companies offer 5 to 20% discount for homes with professional security systems, smart smoke and water leak detectors, and monitored safety features. This can save $50 to $200 annually on premiums. Energy savings from smart systems typically pay for themselves within 3 to 5 years through reduced utility bills. After that, it's pure savings. Homeowners report average savings of $150 to $400 per year on energy costs. Future-proofing your smart barndominium. When building your barndominium, include pre-wiring for future smart technology. Run extra Cat 6 Ethernet cables throughout during construction at minimal additional cost. Install electrical outlets in strategic locations for future devices. Use deeper electrical boxes that accommodate smart switches. Include conduit for future wiring runs. These small investments during construction save thousands in retrofitting costs later. Choose smart devices that support open standards like Matter Protocol, ensuring compatibility across brands and future-proofing as technology evolves. Devices that work with multiple ecosystems like Alexa, Google, and Apple give you flexibility to change platforms without replacing everything. The company that can build your smart barndominium. As promised, let me tell you about a leading company that specializes in building barndominiums with integrated smart home technology. The Barndo Co. is a nationally recognized barndominium builder that offers complete turnkey solutions, including smart home integration as part of their build packages. They work with certified smart home installers to seamlessly integrate automation during construction, have experience with all major smart home platforms, and offer flexible packages from basic to fully automated systems. Their process includes smart home consultation during the design phase to plan for optimal device placement and functionality. Real owner experiences. smart barndominium owners consistently report similar benefits. The convenience factor changes daily life, with voice commands replacing dozens of light switches and thermostats, remote access providing peace of mind when away from home, and automation handling routine tasks. Security features provide real comfort with instant alerts about any activity, ability to see and speak to visitors remotely, and recorded footage of all entry points. Energy savings genuinely add up, with smart systems reducing utility bills by 20 to 40% and automated scheduling ensuring nothing runs unnecessarily. The property value increase is significant as homes with smart technology sell faster and command 3 to 5% higher prices than comparable homes without automation. Building a smart barndominium is one of the most forward-thinking housing decisions you can make in 2026. You're combining the cost-effectiveness and flexibility of barndominium construction with the convenience, security, and efficiency of smart home technology. For a total investment of $200,000 to $500,000 depending on size and automation level, you get a completely custom home that's as intelligent as it is beautiful. My recommendations for getting started are to prioritize your must-have features and start with security, lighting, and climate control as your foundation. Plan for smart integration from day one rather than retrofitting later, which saves thousands. Choose scalable systems you can add to over time as technology improves and your budget allows. Work with experienced builders who understand smart home integration rather than trying to coordinate it yourself after construction. Budget realistically for both initial installation and ongoing subscription costs. Take advantage of energy rebates and insurance discounts to offset costs. The future of home living is here, and it's in barndominiums equipped with smart technology. These aren't just houses, they're responsive, learning environments that adapt to your lifestyle, save you money, keep you secure, and make everyday life dramatically more convenient. So tell me in the comments, which smart features would you prioritize in your barndominium? Would you go all out with full automation or start with basics? And if you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more innovative home content, and share this with anyone dreaming of building their own smart barndominium. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.